Today I will read in EVS chapter 8. Chapter name is Flying High. In this chapter about the birds. You could see the birds in the sky, on the tree, in the water. So more words we identify in this chapter. What is the name of the birds? Okay. Chapter 8 name is Flying High. So many verses here. Firstly, on my head I have a crust. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. I cry aloud. Who say? What is the name of this word? Peacock. Yes, peacock. Write down here. You know very well, peacock is a nation word of our India. And when peacock dancing in the field in the rain, so then everyone you seen very happy. And when peacock very happy also dance before the rain and cry loud and aloud. Peacock have a crust. Crust is there. Crust is colorful crust. So she proud of the crust. Okay. Now long and broad is my tail. Who saying this word? This word is saying long and broad is my tail. Tail is there. Tail long and crop. Crop means chodi. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. What is the name of this word? Eagle. Yes, eagle eat the mice. Small mouses. So you can say mice. And high up in the sky because she have a long and grobbed tail. Next, my feathers are green. My beak's red, guava and green chili. I am feet. Who's saying? This word is saying. I love to imitate people's voice. Imitate. Imitate means that copy. And keep making a lot of noise. What is the name of this word? Parrot. Yes, this is a parrot. This word also a pet word. You know and you would seen on the tree, yeah, mostly at home. In the home some people's pet this animal and this animal copy the people. When you people then repeat your words and repeat this word, repeat your words more times, and when you say something that you this word a parrot. Parrot have a quality. Repeated the word. What are you saying? So next is this word is saying black are my feathers and black is my dash. Black is my dash. Look here. Black is dash. The dash is beak. Beak is here. So write down here beak. Cow, cow, I do all day long. What is the name of this word? Yes, its name crow. And mostly you would seen on the roof, at the door, and he crying. This bird is crying, cow, cow. So you saying to mom, crow is coming. Crow is come on the roof. Okay. Next is this word is saying kuhu, kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. This word name is, you tell me? Yes, cuckoo. Cuckoo sound is very nice, na? When cuckoo on the tree, kuhu, kuhu, it's a sweet sound. Sweet voice look like a singer song. So mostly you will seen on the tree. Next, its words is saying Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly. How where you fly? Yeah, where was the fly? In sky. Yes. So write down here, high up in the sky. Vulture is what I am called. My mean that vulture. This word name is vulture, already written here. But vulture eat the dead animals on the field, and when eat the dead animals, then making place clean and neat. Okay. Its word is saying something. So my beak is pink, feathers grey. Beak means it's a wrong. So please cut here and write the clause, because pigeon clause mean you can say hand of the pigeon, yeah, foot of the pigeon. Pigeon clause is pink, not a beak. Beak is black. Okay, so cut is here and write down the clause. My clause is pink, feathers grey. Feather is here, so feather, pigeon feather is grey. Gutargu, I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. So you tell me what is the name? Yes, its word name is pigeon. 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 Pigeon in all day sounds gutargu. And pigeon make own houses in our houses. Mostly you see in our houses make a pigeon house. You see na? Yes. So pigeon make the houses on the tree, या make a houses in our houses. Clear? Next, its word is saying something. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Needle means sui. This word stitching leaves I make my home. The dash word is how I am known. You tell me what is the name of this word? Yes, sparrow. 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 Sparrow beak is very special. How special? Because sparrow beak is look like a needle, and sparrow when stitching on the leaves make a houses. Next, its word is saying, in tongue of trees holes I make, hidden insect I intake. Tuk I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. Already in this time written here woodpecker, mean that what is the name of this word? Woodpecker. Yes, woodpecker trunk of the trees make a hole, and when after hidden insect woodpecker found it, and woodpecker eaten the insect. And woodpecker tuk in all day sound. Woodpecker sound all time tuk in whole day. Its word saying something. What? Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. What is saying? Firstly, you tell me what is the name of this word. This word name is owl. Yes, owl is saying to other words that more noise in the jungle, because owl sleeping. Owl sleep in the day and wake up in the night, disturbing. So owl is saying he cannot sleep and very noise in the jungle. It's saying word to owl. What is saying? Dear owl, the words are all praising themselves and shouting. One word saying to owl, all words proud of own qualities. So they are telling about own qualities to other words, so shouting there. The owl said, "Stop this halla bullo." Halla bullo, just you look like a, also you tell halla gulla. So here halla bulla. Why are you quarreling? Who said? Owl said. Owl said, don't cry, don't quarreling to another, because all words, we are all special in our own ways. Owl said, all words have different qualities, so everyone is special. Look like a owl. Can you move your neck? Look like types of the owl? No, I cannot move my neck like owl. So we are all special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sound are different. You would seen all birds have a make claws, make other different beaks, different feather, a different sound. Some word sound is gutargu, some word sound is cuckoo, some word is tuk 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 tuk, already seen in the book. So if we all looked alike, otherwise all words same sound, same food, same sound, think how dull the word would be, look like a is a not good. And yes na, yes, it is a, so all one have a different types the sound and different types of the qualities. Now all you mean that I mean that whose word is small, feather also small, whose word long, to feather also long, so have a more qualities. Is a question, some question is here, which of the words mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their name. Mean that in this chapter you seen the some words, so write down the names here. Peacock, owl, parrot, crow, pigeon, eagle, vulture, woodpecker. Okay, now go outside. Who's go outside? You go outside and look for the words on the trees, in the water, on the ground, in and around bushes. Bushes means jhadiyan. Yes, very good. How many words could you see? Yes, you seen more words there, and bushes and trees, water also. So next question depend on the question. When you go outside, then make a table. In the table, write the names of words and tick the place where you saw them. If you don't know the names, if any word, then write how you would it. So now is a table, some table is here. Write the names of the word in water. Who's living in the water? Then write the tick here. On the tree, on the ground, in the house, and fly, where you saw it, write down the name and tick there. Peacock, you already you will seen in the school, near of the school, yeah, field in the school, on the ground also, so tick here. Crow living on the tree, so tick here. And also would you seen, you would seen when crow flying, so also tick here. Duck live in the water, duck and swan also live in the water. Parrot live on the in the houses and on the tree also. So it's your choice. If you want to tick here, to also tick here, and in house also, because already I told you parrot is also pet word. Manna on the tree. And in this question, have you ever noticed that different words have different types of beaks? Some beaks is there and some picture also there. You know very well. What is the name? This word is parrot, this word is crow, and this word is peacock. This word is a peacock. Yes. Some beak is there and some picture also there. Or you know very well what is the name. This name is eagle and this name is duck. But here is empty. Already written here. In the blank space, draw a picture of the beak of some other word. Color it and write its name. Mean that you make a picture here, beaks and some it's your choice. You which like your word, make a picture with beak and coloring also there and write the name also here. Just a word have different types of the beaks. They also eat different type of the food. Yes, because every words different types of the food. While some eat fruits, some eat seeds, some eat eggs, while other eat fish. So some words is here, some words is here and some food is here. You match it. This word, what is it, and other words, what is it? So it is a eagle. Vulture, sorry, its word is vulture, and vulture already told you eat the dead animals. So dead animals is there. And is eagle, eagle eat the mouse. It's a cuckoo, is a cuckoo woodpecker, sorry, woodpecker eat the insect is there. Parrot, you know very well, yes, parrot eat the chilies, yes. And pigeon eat the some grains is here. So now, have you ever noticed the words fly and walk in different ways? In this chapter you noticed कि all words different qualities, different words, different types of flying and walk, and different food also. Also in this time, neck, about neck of the words. Yes, neck also movement also different. Mena moves her neck back. And forward with jump. Forward jump with jump means आगे पीछे झटके के साथ. Mena moves the neck back and forward with a jerk. The owl can rotate its neck backwards. Backward means पीछे की ओर. Owl can rotate the neck backward to large extent. Extent means काफी हद तक. Large extent. Owl moves the neck backward in large extent. Can you move your neck like the owl? No, it is not possible. So student, you read it. You read these steps and find it. What is the answer? You tell me. And other than words, which are other animal that can fly? Some words, only words can fly. No, some other animal also fly. Housefly, honeybee, butterfly, mosquito, and etc. Now, if you would fly like a bird, where would you like to go? What else would you do? I would like to go high up in the sky and see how everything looks from such a height. Okay, students. So now, here is activity of a paper. Let's make a cock. Let's make a cock. Activity is here. So use a paper and make a activity of a cock, and after that enjoy this activity. Okay students, so now finish your chapter. Thank you.